Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Margaret Ann, by the way, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and also please don't forget to watch my other videos. Today I'm gonna be unboxing so if you didn't know, my birthday is fast approaching. That will be on February 5. So as a reward to myself for working hard last year, and as a birthday gift, I bought myself a new phone, but it's actually a postpaid plan from Globe. This is not a paid advertisement, so package just came in. I actually ordered this phone online because I already have an existing data SIM from Globe and it's already about to expire, so I decided to why not get myself a new phone. So the package came in 3 p.m. today. It was they told me it should be arriving around 10 a.m. to 3. It arrived last hour, so anyway, it already arrived. So I paid the Entrego, that's the name of the company, 7,000 pesos. And that's only a down payment for the phone and 1 month at advance for Globe. So it came in this package. I already opened it at the office because I was so excited to look at the phone. So this was the package. Okay, and it came along with a bubble wrap. Yeah, this one. Okay, so the phone was secure. Came along with this box. Okay. So when I opened it, this is actually the phone, guys. It's kind of messy. So this was here. Okay, Huawei Nova 3i. 4 AI cameras for intelligent photography, 6.3 inches Huawei full view display 2.0. Right, see this part here, it has a wider screen, 4 gigabyte RAM and 128 gigabyte ROM. And lastly, Kirin 710 with AI capability. I don't know what that means. Anyway, this is going to be the new phone I'll be using for some of my vlogs. If you saw some of my videos before, non-bago phone. If you saw my old videos, it was actually taken using this Asus Selfie Zenfone. This costed 10,000 pesos around 3 years ago, but I'm gonna be using that still as an extra phone for my videos. But for primary will be the GoPro, secondary will be for this phone. I actually tested their camera out and I was impressed. This phone actually has a fingerprint capability to unlock and also to take pictures. See? So I'll lock it again. Okay. So you can opt to have a password. Wait. You can have a PIN, a 6-digit PIN to open your phone, or either touch the fingerprint pod at the back to open the phone. Okay. So I tested the camera a while ago, and I really was impressed because the photos are very sharp. This is actually the building where I'm currently working in, and also another view of the same building. And we also ate. So it actually changes the settings if you're taking pictures of either food, a portrait, car, or a building whatsoever. So that's the purpose of the AI technology or AI photography. So the food we ate a while ago, that's my partner Kid Rock, our selfies, and this was a selfie I took a while ago. It has beauty adjusted the third intensity. I'm using this as my wallpaper. And you can also turn on or off the mirroring capability of the phone. Okay. So if you want to take pictures, just use this, and you will have the option to either use the aperture, the AR lens, portrait, photo, video, and what's more. More of the settings are here. Okay, so for the camera, it's really sharp, and when you take photos, it tells you to make sure the camera is steady because they're sharpening the picture, and I think that's a good sign. They're doing something to improve the photos. But all in all, the camera is really good. So I would suggest vloggers or people who love photography or taking pictures or videos to grab one Nova free iPhone. This is actually 15,900. There was an airplane. We're actually near an airport here. Okay. And there's a dog outside. We also have a dog downstairs, but she's asleep. Anyway, so yeah. So inside the box, so when I opened the box, it actually had two seals at the sides. Okay. And when I opened it, the SIM actually was placed on top of the box here. This one. I already placed it on the tray for the SIM. And then inside the box was the phone, a free jelly case, okay. This also came with the box for free. And then the screen protector also came along with a box for free, but it's not the tempered glass that you would really need for the phone to be scratch free. Also, so this was the package of the screen protector I already placed on the screen of the phone, the Huawei warranty card. Okay. I actually had stickers here. I had 4 stickers. I didn't know where to put it, so I still kept them. Inside the box is this thing here. Okay. It includes a pin so that you can open the tray at the side. This side of the phone. Okay. That's where the SIM card goes. Also, is a quick start guide. It's a booklet for your phone in case you want to know more of what comes along with it. And here's the sticker I was talking about. I think this is going to be used to keep track of the phone. IMEI. I'm just gonna keep this, the Huawei warranty card. Okay, I think the sticker is needed here anyway. And then it also came along with a free charger, of course. Here. Okay, there. And a free headset. Very light. Their free headset. Okay, so I guess that's it. So moving forward, I'll be taking videos and photos using this phone here. And what I loved about this phone is it has dual lens for the camera at the back and also in front. And the color is iris purple. It turns blue to purple depending on which side you're looking at or which side is reflecting the light. Ain't that cool? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also leave your comments if ever you want me to do something for my next vlog. Also hit the subscribe button below. And please do watch more of my videos to support this channel and also support Project 4000. That's my aim. Once I hit monetization, I will be sponsoring charity works and noble cause activities, and I encourage everyone to join. Please feel free to message me in Facebook. You can find my links at the top on my wall, on my channel art. And also, please feel free to leave on the comments your contact number or your name in Facebook so that I can ping you on. Thank you so much. God bless everyone and more power.